I always had trouble believing in the Jesus Christ, the Son of God. I don't know why I fought it so hard. I was empty. I was just empty. The God I was praying to was a God that I thought maybe could answer my prayers, but I didn't realize that I needed to go through a living God. I know that there's more to life than what I've had. I wrote a book called Evil Ways. I said I've had a life better than any king, any president, or any prince. Hogwash. I didn't have Jesus Christ in my life. I was talking about the Rolls Royces I had, 5 of them. The Ferraris I've had, 5 of them. The Stutzes, the Lamborghinis, the jet airplanes, 2 of them. I flew one alongside of the other so I could read my name on the side of it. I think maybe it was the power of prayer. Maybe God just got sick and tired of me fighting it so much. He reached out and grabbed me and said, look, I just want you. You've got to stop this nonsense. You just come with me. I rose up in bed and I was by myself and I said, devil, devil, you bastard, you get away from me. I cast you out of my life. I went to the balcony of my hotel room. I said, I will take you and throw you on the beach. You will be dead. You will be gone. I don't want you around me anymore. I did everything I could. I just got on my knees and prayed that God would put his arms around me and never, ever, ever let me go. The power of God and Jesus just grabbed me. It just took a hold of me so strong, I can't tell you how strong it was. And I became a person who was just filled with Christianity. All of a sudden, I just believed in Jesus Christ. I did. I believed in him. He was the Son of God. He is the Son of God. And if you don't believe that Jesus Christ is what he says he is, you will surely die. You'll die in your sins, believe me. You've got to believe. Oh, you've got to believe in Jesus Christ. I'm so complete now that I'm not even afraid to get on an airplane and fly back to Tampa. That's how I feel.